Welcome to Bio Daily. There have been recent reports of people using bubbles to help protect coral reefs. They're implanting these bubble machines in local coasts and bays. The question is, will this really work, or will these bubbles bring more harm than help? Now we'll take it over to our guest, Dr. Lee, to explain the implications of this process.
Positives of the bubble pulse method are that it prevents acidification and that the activity of salt water is reduced by freeing dissolved CO2. The cost is relatively inexpensive, and worldwide states that coral reefs provide about $30 billion net benefit each year. This allows engineers to have a technique that can bring the coral conditions from nearly 100 years ago.
Thank you, Dr. Lee. But now we must move on to our next guest speaker, a fisherman who has been fishing in these local bays for almost 50 years now.
My favorite fishing spot has been invaded by your machines, and I'm extremely frustrated and annoyed by the constant arrival of the ship. It bothers me and all of my fellow fishermen from our business, and I recognize that you guys are trying to help the corals. However, there are many other solutions that you guys can use instead. Stop the coal companies and place regulations on them from dumping their coals into the oceans, which pollutes the waters. You guys can also accept and use the Coral Reef Alliance, which regulates and monitors the corals as a regional data. In addition, your solution doesn't even work. Your solution of the bubble pulse method depletes the ocean of carbon emissions. However, it goes into our air, affecting our health. Also, I have seen too many ships that are carrying your supplies for the machines being sunken into the ocean, or so many accidents occur, and it's just creating a loss of money, and there is no benefit from it. That's why when I'm saying this, I'm representing all the locals around here. Please stop using the bubble pulse method and use other solutions that can help the coral reef and us as well.
This issue has bubbled up, but now it must precipitate to an end. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and join us next time on Bio Daily.
The activity of salt water is reduced by positives of the bubble pulse method and that the activity right about $30. Why do I keep saying?
Wait, it shows that, huh?
Show to an end.
Positives of the bubble pulse method.
I'm like,
No, seriously.